Leather stitch. Leather stitch, this is invisible stitch which we're using for cleaning the holes for stuffed items. For example, like it could be pillow, stuffed animals, or mattresses. To make this stitch, first we have to take two pieces of fabric and I create little hole like 2 inches wide. I stitch on each side of my swatch. I was using back stitch. Press your seam allowance like flat, and now I'm using my thread inside a fold. I'm going exactly where is my one side ended, and keep your hold, and going from this side I'm grabbing couple thread from the fold, creating little ladder, and again from this side grab, go inside a fold, make a little stitch. It's we don't have stuff anything, it's easy, but when you have stuffed item it's a little complicated, but you have to sew on, grab on exactly where you fold, stitch by stitch from side to side, and you creating little, you could have your thread loose first and make sure you're going inside of the fold, on each side, and I'm keeping loose my thread, and after I will pull them together. It's easy to control, just from side to side. Do very small stitches, because if it's too big your stuff items could be going through the holes. And from side to side take your thread, and it reminds me like a little ladder. And you can see I only sew my stitch from the face side. I can't go inside because it's I'm closing the hole. And just take your thread and gently pull it from one side to other side, and you will close your hole. Make sure your thread is strong, not weak. And this is our ladder invisible stitch. You can just make it loose if you pull too much, and after you just go inside, do a little back stitch, and hide your thread inside. And cut the rest. This is our ladder stitch on front side.